In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello templates, walking through both card and board templates with ease. So let's get started. First, if you're not familiar with Trello, it's a fantastic tool for organizing tasks and projects using boards, lists, and cards. The templates Trello offers are a great way to kickstart your project management or any specialized workflow you might need. To begin, you'll want to open Trello on your device. This can be through the web or your Trello app. Once you're logged in, head on over to the Templates gallery. This gallery is where Trello showcases the myriad of templates available, making it super convenient to find something that suits your needs. Now, the next step is to browse or use the search function to find a template that matches what you're looking for, whether it's project management, a content calendar, or perhaps a personal organization template. There's likely something there for you. Take your time to look through the options and think about what structure will best serve your project's needs. Once something catches your eye, simply click on the template you want. This is where you can preview the template to get a sense of the layout, lists, and cards included. Now that you've found the perfect template, you'll see the option to create a board from this template. Click on Create Board from Template. This action is a key step as it's going to set up your new board with all the structure that the template provides. It's like a magic button that takes all the work out of getting started. After clicking that, you'll be prompted to name your new board. Pick a name that clearly reflects what this board will be used for. Clear names will help you stay organized. You'll also have to choose the workspace where you want this board to appear. This is particularly useful if you're working with a team or have multiple projects under different categories. Once you're satisfied with your board's name and workspace selection, go ahead and click Create. With this simple action, your new board will be set up instantly. It comes complete with all the lists, cards, and settings that were part of the template. Now you're all set with a fully functional board tailor-made for whatever project you're starting. Feel free to add, modify, or delete cards and lists as necessary to fit your specific workflow. And that's it. You're now ready to utilize Trello templates to streamline your projects, saving you invaluable time and effort. Happy organizing!